This is a how-to for Quizizz.com. You can see the spelling right here. This is an interactive quiz website. You can create your own quiz, you can assign homework, or you can take the quiz live as a class together. You can see all the subjects you have down here to choose from. Works for any subject, any grade level. So let's say you wanted to work on nouns. Just type in nouns. You have a couple more options to filter. Most relevant, most popular here, the newest here, and then you can choose your grade level all the way up to college. So let's say elementary, and then we're gonna have the most relevant ones come here. You can just scroll down, find the one you like. It'll tell you how many questions there are. So if you don't want to give a 20-question quiz, you're looking for more like a 10-question quiz. You can make sure the questions fit your student's level and age group. Then you can play it live or assign it as homework. So if you assign it as homework, you can pick the due date and what time. There's some more options right here. Shuffle the questions so they're not the same for everyone. Show the answers at the end. When you click proceed, this is the code that they would sign in to complete the homework, or you could do it through Classroom, which is really nice. And then it grades the assignment for you, and it will give you the class average and how the whole class did, and then you can just put that in your grade book. Then this is just some previous games that we've done, so it'll show you how well you can see the accuracy. Ancient Rome, we didn't do very well over there. So that's one option. If you want to play it live, let's say you still want to do nouns, type that in. Again, you have those filters you can deal with. Here's our 10 questions. So, and it even tells you what grades. This is 2nd to 3rd, 5th to 12th, 3rd to 7th. Obviously, you can pick which grades you feel is the best for your class. So, if we want to play it live, click down here, play it live. Again, you have the question settings. Click proceed. Your students will go to join.quizizz.com, and then they'll enter this game code. And then when they enter the game code, they pop up over here, and then you can see all the names. If you see names that are inappropriate, you just click over it, remove them, and everyone will pop up. So if you have 25 in your class, once you see that 25 are in, just click start. It counts it down for them. You can have this on your projection screen so everyone can see. And then you'll have two options when the game is playing. You can have the leaderboard, and it just goes across this bar. Green is correct, red is wrong. You'll have your class average up top here. Or you can just show the questions on the board if you don't want to show the leaderboard. I found that when you show the leaderboard, they'll try a little harder because they want to get in that top 5. And at the end, it gives them a little ribbon for getting in the top 5, and you can announce it if you want to do that. And again, it gives you your accuracy at the end as a class, and it grades each individual for you. Another thing you can do for quizzes here is create your own quiz, and then it goes into your My Quizzes, so over the years you can save them. So click here, you want to create a new one. Let's say you want to get to know your students the first week of school. So first day of school. There's state standards option, but obviously we're not going to do that for first day of school. You save it, and then over here you can add a quiz image. So if you want to put your classroom up there, there's an option of making it public or just private where just you and your students are going to see it. And then you create your questions. You have options when you're creating your questions. Single correct or multiple can be correct. That's helpful when you're giving a quiz or a test at the end of the chapter. So let's say, do you like school? Answer option number 1 could be yes, no, maybe, what is school? So you could do multi-selector option. You can say these 2 and 3 are all correct, but that's not correct. Obviously, you should know what school is, but that's just an example. You can go to single correct and just say that's the only option. So it's a nice little way to get a quiz or a test done quickly done in a way where students can get the kind of the fun way of taking a quiz. My students really like it. There's also fun ones. We've done fast food or video games or something like that. So you can use it as a reward system if you want to. And that is quizizz.com.